The page on respiration is intended to collect information about the different modes of respiration of the baby. So that's why you have the different options that are already prepared. So you can have a patient in conventional tracheal ventilation, and the definition is written here, or the high-frequency ventilation, or non-invasive ventilation. Concerning non-invasive ventilation, it should be stated that short breaks during this ventilation do not constitute a stop. It's just only a part of the process. So we consider that a new period of non-invasive ventilation starts only when this has been stopped for more than 24 hours. Then this is for extracorporeal membrane oxygenation, and for all babies that are on spontaneous ventilation without any pressure is considered at this. Notice that we will call the first day of hospitalization day 1, and every day will be added based on this hospitalization day. So the system will collect automatically the day. If you look here, since you already enter the information on the patient's page, the system tells you that first mode of respiration should start on September the 20th at 8:10 p.m. So this patient you enter in the NICU with conventional tracheal ventilation, and this was from the very beginning. So it is the same day as the entry. For the unit, it is the moment the patient entering the unit. And let's say that this patient was ventilated for 2 days, the 22, and it ended at 10. And then after the tracheal ventilation, he was put on non-invasive ventilation for 12 hours. So let's say it's again at 22. This period started at 10 once the patient was extubated, and it ended the 23rd at 6 a.m. And then afterwards, the patient was on a spontaneous ventilation from the 23rd at 6. Notice that the 3 sequences of ventilation should be continuous. This ended at 10, the next one starts at 10 and ended at 6 a.m. on the 23rd, and the next one starts. If the patient leaves on this the unit this day, then you should mention this as the end of the mode of respiration. So let's say here, let's say that the patient leaves the unit at 3 p.m. on the 23rd. So these are the modes of respiration for this baby. Once you're done with this, you don't have to complete the others because the patient has already left the unit. You go next.